Hi, Robin from SA Washline here. I'm going to demonstrate our retractable line, wash line. So here we are. It's a tube on the wall. You pull the bar out. This one's got 4 lines. And you hang it on the clip over here. Alright. You've got to go back here. There's a lock on the side here. So you just lock the lines. Just push it forward clockwise. And then if you want a little bit more tension in your lines, you can just pull it over the cleat over here just to get your lines a little bit tauter. Okay, so my line's up. Now I'm going to hang a towel here. And then, if you like, you can peg it on there. And when you're done and it's dry, just take your towel off. So now I'm done, my towel's away, and I'm going to remove it and put it back to its normal position. So unlock it over here, go back, lift up the bar, and then just let it go, guide it back into its tube, and it's out of the way. So this is a retractable wash line. This one's been up here for now 13 years. So still in good working condition. It's a little bit dirty, but you can see the mechanism still works and everything's still in place. The benefit of this unit is, when you've got washing, you put it up. You've got a bit of space, limited space. You put it up, you just need 2 walls opposite each other. Set it up, goes on the bracket. When you don't want it, take it out of the way, and you got your balcony back. And it's neat and tidy. It needs a wipe once in a while. And like I said, this one's been out for 13 years. Really good product.